I don't know if you would agree, but I think the new BMW M2 design makes perfect sense. Let me explain. We all love the previous generation M2, right? In the blue color especially. It's like this perfect little compact toy. And probably some of us will be upset with the new BMW M2 design, right? Because it looks a bit weird and a little bit maybe basic, if it's right to say. All these rectangular elements on the front end makes it a little bit like a bit retro feeling, I would say, and a bit more plasticky, a little bit like a toy. That's exactly why it makes such a sense, because this car is all about being playful and being fun. Even in their launch video they play this game, you know, when the music stops normally you need to grab the chair and whoever doesn't sit lose the game. So they did it with the cars in the parking lot, and when the music stops you need to find the only green spot and park. You can watch the video, it's super fun and I think it gives the right message about this car. And also you can see the third pedal inside, which is very rare to see nowadays. And it also adds up to this playfulness of the car. So you can control better your drifting, you're sliding the car, and it's really like a go-kart. M2, or in general M cars, don't need to be the sexy, beautiful, elegant design in a traditional sense. Especially this one is like a mechanical fun car, so the design reflects that. Also it looks very brutal and brave with this all blocky elements, because we just saw the BMW XM. Some of us love it, some of us hate it, and this type of blocky elements connect these two cars as well. So I think we will see more of these on the M brand cars. But if you didn't see, you have to take a look at these sketches. Like this rear sketches of this M2. It's just beautiful, and this one exhaust pipe on the rear, I would love to see that. And in general the sketches of BMW design, I really love them all. And here I would like to see the one on the top or on the middle. It would look amazing. Also this spoilers on the top, I would really love to see it on the real car, on the production version. Maybe on the M2 competition we might see something like that. I hope we would see something like that. This spoilers with one exhaust, with even more brutal rear bumper, diffuser, everything. It would be amazing to see. What do you think about the design of the new M2? Let me know in the comments and see you in the next video.